camera arrived minutes ago. And here we are. Usual deflated air pillows. Yes, R5. Let's see, we'll check our serial numbers to make sure they match, and I'll double check that later. Documents, USA, big, thick manual, probably given the number of languages, not really a complete manual, just a useless summary. One battery, that's going to be handy. Battery charger, cords, cord holder, and the Canon strap I'm not going to use. Ooh, that's got some weight to it. This is not an RP. When my wife picked up the RP, she said she was pretty amazed at how light it was before it had a battery and lens, but this has got some mass to it. Yeah, there it is. That feels nice. Screen's clearly bigger. Good. That viewfinder looks big. We'll get a lens on there. That opens up intuitively. Card slots. Battery is the norm. Let's get that sucker in there. No juice in that battery. Well, we'll get that charged and get underway. Thanks for joining me.